What separates those who thrive from those who crumble? It's not talent, it's not luck, it's one simple thing: the will to rise again. When the world feels like it's against you, when fear grips your heart and failure seems inevitable, true warriors choose to stand up. They don't wait for the storm to pass. They build their strength in its chaos. Here's the reality: life doesn't stop because you've fallen. The clock keeps ticking and the world keeps moving. So ask yourself, will you stay down or will you fight back? Because life rewards those who rise, not those who wait. Every setback is a chance to rise stronger. Every failure an opportunity to hit back harder. Think about it. The most pivotal moments in your life won't be the trophies or the applause. They'll be the times you were broken, battered, and doubted. The times you hit rock bottom and had to claw your way back up. Those dark, lonely moments, that's where greatness is forged. Champions aren't made when the crowd cheers. They're made in silence, in the grind no one sees. It's waking up before dawn, running when it's pouring, studying when your mind says enough. Champions are made in the moments you push yourself beyond what you thought was possible. But here's the key: you need a reason. What's your why? What fuels you when quitting feels easier? Find it, hold on to it, because when exhaustion whispers stop, when failure screams give up, your reason will be the fire that pushes you forward. Remember the last time you failed? The sting of it? Let me tell you something. That failure doesn't define you. What defines you is what you do next. Will you stay down or will you rise? Falling isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new fight. Every time you get up, you grow stronger. Repetition creates transformation. Life isn't waiting for the stars to align. It's about stepping into adversity with grit and determination. Yes, you'll fall. You'll doubt yourself. But in those moments, you'll also discover strength you never knew existed. You're tougher than you think, braver than you believe, and capable of more than you can imagine. So here's the truth: success doesn't come to those who want it. It comes to those willing to bleed for it, fight for it, and rise for it. When failure knocks you down, when defeat leaves you gasping, remember this: the only real defeat is when you give up. As long as you rise one more time, as long as you fight for one more chance, you're moving closer to your dreams. So stand up, dust yourself off. The battle isn't over. Your story isn't finished. Let today be the day you rise stronger than ever.